Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this free version of Magic Fluids app from this developer and open it. Now click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, choose Settings and tap on I accept. Then you can adjust your wallpaper however you wish to, and when you're ready, click at the top right corner. Then button 1 again, this time though choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply to Home and Lock Screen, and simply go back. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!